Hello friends, in this video we are discussing bacterial growth MCQ in microbiology. The first 30 questions of this chapter we have already discussed. The video link is provided in description. 31st question is the orderly increase in the quantity of all the cellular component is known as. The orderly increase in the quantity of all the cellular component is known as growth. Option B is right, growth. Question number 32 is the most common mode of cell division in bacteria is the most common mode of cell division in bacteria is longitudinal binary fission. Longitudinal binary fission, option C is right. Question number 33 is how much time a bacterium take for the complete duplication? How much time a bacterium take for the complete duplication is 20 minutes. Option C is right, 20 minutes. Question number 34 is the generation time is the generation time is the total number of cell formed. The generation time is the total number of cell forms. Option C is right. Question number 35 is in bacteria the increase in population is in the manner. In bacteria the increase in population is in the manner geometric progression. Option A is right. Question number 36 is physiologically the cell are active and are synthesizing new protoplasm in which stage of growth in bacteria? Physiologically, the cells are active and are synthesizing the new protoplasm in stationary phase of the growth in bacteria. Option C is right, stationary phase. Question number 37 is the most active stage in the sigmoid curve of bacteria in which maximum growth is attained. The most active stage in the sigmoid curve of bacteria in which maximum growth is attained is log phase. Option D is right. Question number 38 is log phase is also known as known as lag phase. Option C is right. Question number 39 is the number of generation per hour in a bacteria is the number of generation per hour in a bacteria is generation time. Option B is right. Question number 40 is in the sigmoid curve or growth curve of bacteria and how many stages are there? In the sigmoid curve and growth curve of bacteria there is 4 stages. Option B is right, 4 stages. B. Question number 41 is the reproduction rate is equal to the death rate of which stage? The reproduction rate is equal to death rate in which stage? Answer is D, log phase. Option D is right. In log phase, the reproduction rate is equal to death rate. Question number 42 is minimum growth temperature is the lowest temperature at which the microorganisms grow. Minimum growth temperature is the lowest temperature at which the microorganisms grow. Option B is right. Question number 43 is optimum growth temperature is greater than 45 degrees Celsius is. Optimum growth temperature is greater than 45 degrees Celsius is mesophiles. Option A is right, mesophiles. Question number 44 is the organism which can grow both in presence of and absence of oxygen. The organisms which can grow both in presence or absence of oxygen is aerobes. Option A is right, aerobes. Question number 45 is the organism which can grow best in the presence of a low concentration of oxygen. The organism which can grow best in presence of low concentration of oxygen is microaeroflex. Option B is right, microaeroflex. Question number 46 is the compound that is added to the medium to absorb oxygen for the creation of anaerobic condition. The compound that is added to the medium to absorb oxygen for the creation of anaerobic condition is nitrous acid. Option B is right. Question number 47 is the utilization of light energy to drive the synthesis of ATP is called as. The utilization of light energy to drive the synthesis of ATP is called as photosynthesis. Option C is right, or photosynthesis. Question number 48 is during cyclic phosphorylation, NADP is formed or not? During cyclic phosphorylation, NADP is formed or not? No NADP is formation. Option A is right. Question number 49 is cyclic phosphorylation is generally present in cyanobacteria. Option A is right. Cyanobacteria. Question number 50 is non-cyclic photosynthesis is also known as photosynthesis. Option B is right. Question number 51 is the number of ATP molecules formed during cyclic phosphorylation are. The number of ATP molecules formed during cyclic phosphorylation are 6. Option D is right. 6. Question number 52 is the Question number 52 is artificial transformation in laboratory is carried out by treating the cells with. Artificial transformation in laboratory is carried out by treating the cells with CaCl2. Option B is right. Question number 53 is the process of formation of mesozygote is called. The process of formation of mesozygote is called meromyxis. Meromyxis. Option A is right. Question number 54 is which of the following organisms required tryptophan of growth? Which of the following organisms requires tryptophan for growth? Is S. typhi. Option D is right. Question number 55 is tubercular bacilli grow best in presence of CO2. Option B is right. Question number 56 is mycotoxins are formed during the end of lag phase. Option A is right. Lag phase. Question number 57 is match the following growth, growth characteristics with their respective temperature range. One is psychrotrophs. Psychrotrophs may survive above 60 degrees Celsius. May survive above 60 degrees Celsius. Two is mesophils. Mesophils is grow well between 25 to 45 degrees Celsius. Mesophils grow well between 25 to 45 degrees Celsius. 3 is thermophiles. Thermophiles is grow below 25 degrees Celsius. Grow below 25 degrees Celsius. 4 is vegetable bacteria. Vegetable bacteria is grow between 55 to 65 degrees Celsius. Option A is right. Vegetable bacteria grow between 55 to 65 degrees Celsius. Question number 58 is match the following microorganisms with their respective source A to E. Achromobacter spp. Achromobacter spp is milk cheese products. Option E is right. Aspergillus flavus is bread, related to bread. And Oscillatoria cytonema is related to water supply. Water supply. Clostridium nigeticum. Clostridium nigeticum is related to meat. Option D. One is related to E, and Aspergillus flavus 2 is related to bread, and Oscillatoria cytonema is related to water supply, and Clostridium nigeticum is related to meat. Question number 59 is match the following microorganisms with their respective appearance of colonies on bismuth sulfide agar from A to E. One is Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi is black. Salmonella chlorosis is related to is green. Salmonella chlorosis is green. Shigella flexneri is brown, and Escherichia coli. Escherichia coli is no growth. Question number 60 is the suitable temperature to transport viral culture is 5 degrees Celsius. Option B is right, 5 degrees Celsius. Question number 61 is growth curve does not include following phase of bacteria. Growth curve does not include following phase of bacteria is synchronous growth. Option D is right, synchronous growth. Question number 62 is the last question of this video. If you found this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe our channel for more video updates. 62 is bacteria are more sensitive to antibiotics at which phase of growth curve? Bacteria are more sensitive to antibiotics at which phase of growth curve is log phase. Option D is right. Thank you for watching this video.